So values of current flowing in given resistor for corresponding value of potential difference across the resistor are given below. So plot the VI graph. So suppose this is V and this is I. We'll take first of all, we'll mark all the numbers. So we want potential difference will vary till 14. So let us take a scale of 2. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and 14. Okay. And current I varies till 4 amperes. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. Now when V is 1.6. Okay. So this is suppose this is 1.61. So 1.6 will lie here somewhere after 1.5, 1.6. The corresponding value for it is 0.5 amperes. So it is 0.5 amperes. 0.5 is this. Okay. And 1.5 is this. So 1.6 is this. So 1.6 ke corresponding will mark this point. Similarly, for when V is 3.4, V is 3.4, this is 3. So 3.4 will be roughly here. You can take the exact point on the graph and it is equal to 1. So this is 1. Next, when it is V is 6.7, 6.7, this is 7. So 6.7 somewhere here. Its value is 2. So its value is 2 this way. 3.4 this one. Okay, so this way we'll join the graph. Then for value 10.2, this is 11. 10.2, its value corresponding to 0.2 is 3. Okay, then value corresponding to 13.2, this is 13. 13.2 is here. Okay, so it is equal to 4. This way we'll first of all draw the graph. Okay, now R equals to V upon I. Okay, so we'll take any two values of V. Okay, and suppose I am taking 4 and 9. Okay, then and will after taking these values of V will obtain the corresponding values of I this way. Okay, so V is equal to 9 minus 5 and I equals to, suppose it is this you have to locate. Actually I am taking this data for corresponding 9, it is 2.65. when you will draw an exact graph you will get somewhat around this value. Exact to nahi milegi but somewhat around this you will get. So this will be equal to 4 by 1.25, that is equal to 3.2 ohm. So approximate 3 ohm resistance you will get. This way you have to do this question. Value corresponding to 5 is 1.4 something will come. Okay, so value 9 minus 5 4. So 1 minute we have to take this value 5 के corresponding value लेना है, ये आएगी. Okay, so 5 के corresponding this is 1.4 it will come, and for 9 it is 2.65. this values you will get when you will draw on graph paper. Okay, and this way you have to do. Is it clear how to do this? Roughly it will be 3.2 ohm only, like 3.2 3.4 roughly ऐसा ही आएगा. Approximate you will get the answer. Here you will not get the exact answer. Is it clear? Question 9 is a battery of 9 volt is connected in series with resistors of 0.2, 3, 0.4, 0.5 and 12 ohm respectively. How much current will flow through 12 ohm resistor? So what they are saying is a 12 volt battery is connected to a resistance of 9 volt battery. Question number 9. A 9 volt battery is connected to a resistance of 0.2 ohm, 0.3 ohm, which are all connected in series. 0.4 ohm, 0.5 ohm, and 12 ohm respectively. Okay. How much current will flow through 12 ohm resistance? We have to find current through this. Okay. So now as all the resistances are connected in series, RS will be equal to sum of all the resistances 0.2 plus 0.3 plus 0.4 plus 0.5 plus 12. So we'll add all these resistances. This is equal to 13.4 ohm. Okay. Now current will be same through all these resistances because this all are in series. So I equals to V upon RS. V is 9 and RS is 13.4. So this will be equal to 0.67 ampere. Even in question we are asked to find resistance through 12 ohm. If we are asked to find through any of this resistance, current same ही होगा क्योंकि ये सारे series में है and in series current remains same. Okay, so current will be 0.67 amperes. Is it clear to everybody?
Yes.
How many 176 ohm resistors are required to carry 5 ampere on 220 volt line? So basically ये बोल रहा है कि एक 5 एम्पियर करंट 220 वोल्ट की लाइन है, उससे 5 एम्पियर्स करंट फ्लो हो रहा है. ठीक है, तो कितने 176 ओम के रेजिस्टर्स पैरेलल में रिक्वायर्ड होंगे फॉर दिस लाइन एंड करंट? सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ द सर्किट विल फाइंड. अगर हमको लाइन करंट दिया है और लाइन पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस दिया है तो विल फाइंड द रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ द सर्किट. ओके, दैट विल बी इक्वल टू V अपॉन I. तो ये है 220 वोल्ट अपॉन 5 एम्पियर, सो इट इज 44 ohms. ठीक है, अब resistance of each resistor is 176 ohm. Now our question is कि हम 176 ohm से 44 ohms कैसे बनाएंगे? Okay, so basically all of them we have to connect in parallel. Okay, 176 ohms के resistance है और हमको उससे 44 ohm बनाना है. ठीक है, तो if n resistors each of value 176 are connected, okay, then 44 ohms is equal to 176 upon n. Okay, to get 44 ohms the formula is actually Rp equals to R upon n. तो हमारे पास 176 ओम के रेजिस्टेंस है, कितने ये हमको फाइंड करना है, और जो पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन का रेजिस्टेंस होगा 44. सो n इक्वल्स टू 176 by 44, that will be equal to 4. It will have no unit because it is number of resistances. Show how you would connect 3 resistors, each of resistance 6 ohm, so that combination has resistance of 9 ohm. Okay, 3 resistance है 6 ohms के. Okay, we have to obtain 9 ohm. Okay, to get 9 ohm. Okay, 3, we can write 3 resistors of 6 ohm to get 9 ohm. Anybody, any idea how can we get? अगर दो resistance, yes,
2
yes,
in parallel and 1 in series.
right, good. If 2 6 ohm resistances are in parallel, ठीक है, दोनों इक्वल वैल्यू के हैं, तो जस्ट इसको डिवाइड बाय 2 कर दो, तो इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस क्या होगा इसका 3 ohms. इसको फिर 6 ohm के सीरीज में कर दो, तो इट इज 6 and this thing is 3. 6 plus 3 9. So equivalent resistance will be 6 3 ohm. This way we'll get 9 ohm. Okay, so this is the answer basically. 6 ohm, 2 6 ohm in parallel and 1 6 ohm in series with it. Second part, how can we obtain 2 ohm? Okay, is the question 2 ohm or 1 minute?
4 ohm.
4 ohm.
It is 4 ohm in the book, right? Okay, in some books it's 2 ohm, it is 4 ohm. Okay, so for 4 ohm, what we'll do? दो 6 ohm को सीरीज में कनेक्ट कर देंगे और उसके पैरेलल में एक 6 ohm को कनेक्ट कर देंगे. 6 ohm, 6 ohm and 6 ohm. 6 and 6, first of all, this both will be 12, and 12 and 6 in parallel. Okay, so 12 and 6 in parallel, how will we can obtain this? 1 by Rp equals to 1 by 12 plus 1 by 6, that is equal to 12. 1 plus 2. Okay, so Rp equals to 12 by 3, that is equal to 4 ohm. Is it clear? So
Yes, ma'am.
okay, so these two parts are done. Suppose instead of 4 ohm the question would be 2 ohm. ठीक है, एक थर्ड क्वेश्चन अगर इसका 2 ohm भी होता तो हम कैसे करते? 3 6 ohm के रेजिस्टेंस से हमको 2 ohm रेजिस्टेंस ऑब्टेन करना है. हाउ कैन वी ऑब्टेन?
3 in parallel.
Right, good. All the 3 6 ohm resistances will connect in parallel. Okay, so 6 ohm, 6 ohm and 6 ohm. We know that अगर तीनों की वैल्यू सेम होती है तो we can just put this formula Rp equals to R upon N. R की वैल्यू 6 है और ऐसे कितने रेजिस्टेंस है 3, so it will be 2 ohm. Okay, so several electric bulbs designed to be used on 220 volt electric supply line are rated 10 watt. How many lamps can be connected in parallel with each other across two wires of 220 volt line if maximum allowable current is 5 amperes? Okay, so first of all the current bulb की rating दी है 220 volt और 10 watt. ठीक है, so we can find resistance of each bulb. Resistance of each bulb. Okay, whenever we are given the power rating, we'll use this formula P equals to V square upon R. Okay, so we'll find R equals to V square upon P. That is equal to resistance of each bulb equals to 220 square upon 10. So that is equal to 4840 ohm. Okay, now resistance of power line of the line or resistance of the circuit will find now. Resistance of circuit, okay, given potential difference is 220 volt and current is 5 amperes through the circuit, so it is 44 ohms. Okay, so basically we have to obtain actually how many we have to find that how many bulbs of 4840 should be connected so that we can obtain 44 ohm resistance. 4840 बल्ब ओम के कितने रेजिस्टेंस कनेक्ट करेंगे कि हमको 44 ओम रेजिस्टेंस ऑब्टेन हो. सो एंड दे शुड बी कनेक्टेड इन पैरेलल. सो लेट n be number of bulbs of resistance 4840 to obtain 44 ohm resistance. Okay, so Rp equals to R upon N. This formula will use. Rp is 44, R is 4840 upon N. Okay, so N equals to 4840 upon 44. So that will be equal to 110. So answer is 110. As it is a number, there will be no unit for it. Question number 13. A hot plate of electric oven connected to 220 volt line has two resistance coil A and B, each of 24 ohm resistance, which may be used separately, in series or in parallel. What are the currents in three cases? So basically, it is given that potential difference is 220 volts. Is 220 volt. और यहाँ पे दो रेजिस्टेंस की कॉइल्स हैं, दोनों का रेजिस्टेंस 24 ओम है, और इनको कैसे यूज किया? एक बार तो कॉइल को अकेले यूज किया, एक बार दोनों को सीरीज में यूज किया, और एक बार दोनों को पैरेलल में यूज किया. एंड व्हाट आर द करंट्स इन थ्री केसेस? सो रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ ईच कॉइल equals to 24 ohm. Okay, when coils are used separately, okay, so I will be equal to V upon R. V is 220 and R is 24, so it will be I equals to V upon V is 220, and resistance separately use kiya means only one resistance of one coil will take. So when you will divide this, you will get 9.2 amperes. Then when coils are used in series or connected in series, we can write connected in series. So resistance, series resistance will be 24 plus 24, that is equal to 48 ohms, and I will be equal to V upon R, that is equal to 220 upon 48. So this will be equal to 4.6 amperes. Then when coils are connected in parallel, so Rp will be equal to R upon N. R is 24, N is 2, so it will be 12 ohms, and current will be equal to V upon Rp. V is 220 upon 12, so it is 18.3 amperes. Compare the power used in 2 ohm resistor in each of the following circuits. Okay, a 6 volt battery connected with 1 and 2 ohm resistors, 4 volt battery in parallel with 12 and 2 ohm resistors. So basically, we have to find the power used. Okay, so a 6 volt battery is there. It is connected in series with 1 ohm and 2 ohm resistance. This is 6 volt. This is 1 ohm. This is 1 ohm. Okay, so 2 ohm. Sorry. So first of all, as they both are connected in series, Rs will be equal to 1 plus 2, that is equal to 3 ohms. Current will be equal to V upon Rs. V is 6 upon 3, that is equal to 2 amperes. Power equals to I square R. I is 2. किसके अक्रॉस पावर फाइंड करना है हमको? 2 ओम. पावर यूज्ड बाय 2 ओम रेजिस्टेंस. तो यहाँ पे जो आर आएगा, यहाँ पे हम वो ही रेजिस्टेंस यूज करेंगे जिसका हमको पावर फाइंड करना है. बेसिकली पावर यूज्ड बाय 2 ओम रेजिस्टेंस. दैट्स व्हाई फॉर आर आई एम यूजिंग दिस 2. सो इट इज 2 into 2, 4 2s are 8. So it is 8 watt. Okay. Then second part. Okay. 4 volt battery connected in parallel with 12 and 2 ohms. There is a 4 volt battery. It is connected in parallel with 12 ohm. and 2 ohm resistors. Okay, so here also we have to find the power across this. Okay, so as here potential difference is same, we can use this formula P equals to V square upon R. V is 4 volt because in parallel potential difference remains same. हमको जिसके across find करना, जिसका power used find करना है, उसके across current और potential difference find करना पड़ेगा. तो इसके across potential difference 4 volt है, that's why I am taking V as this, and resistance is 2, so this is equal to again 8 watt. Okay, and we have to compare the power, so power is same. Okay, or if you want you can write this, you can write P1, this you can write P2, and P1 upon P2 is 1:1. This you can write P1, this you can write P2. Okay, and P1 upon P2 is 8 upon 8, that is equal to 1 upon 1. Okay, so